Hi, I bet you'd like to know how to use the Offbeat Business app as a revenue generator. Well, when you are an OBA member, an Offbeat Business Alliance member, you have access to a full service membership profile. You can use this membership profile to contact other people and to share it with other people. Also to collect recommendations. It's very important to realize that when you're working within the business owner community, business owners are your largest referral pipeline, so understanding how to showcase yourself to them is very, very important. So when you fill out your membership profile accurately, they get an idea of how it matters to them so that they can share it for someone else. So writing it correctly, when you write your description, that's very important, but also make sure all your contact information is available then. As you explore your membership directory, you're going to be able to see that all your contact information is click to call, all your social media contacts are there, and there's this really cool feature that allows you to tweet or Facebook those your profile, but it also allows you to email that to anyone. As a matter of fact, it allows anyone to email that to anyone. So if your profile is open when you're networking and you see someone across the room who you are not having an opportunity to talk with, you can say, hey, I'd love your card. I want to reach out to you and let's schedule a time that we can get together, and do it straight from your app. Now, yes, you can do that from your phone, but with your app you have your complete profile filled out, being sent to them so that they can understand you a little bit better before you ever have the contact. Also, once you have worked with someone in the directory, you can share that. Or if you're working with a happy customer or client, oh my goodness, this is the perfect time to have your app open and say, hey, I'd love a recommendation from you. You said some wonderful things about the service I just provided for you. Would you mind writing that down right here? Also, you can ask for a referral right from that location. They can take that app, whether they have downloaded their own Offbeat Business app or whether they use yours, and can fill that out with the correct from email and the correct to email to get your membership out. It's fabulous. It's one of the best tools that I've seen. Stay tuned as well, because there are so many other ways that you can use your app as a revenue generator. If you're a host of one of our programs, you can use the event calendar inside the app to share with everyone in your network. Let them know that they should be watching your program, listening to your program, and take advantage of all the different things that we offer you. Friday mornings, we have content on offbeatbusiness.com that helps you understand how to continue to build on the use that we're sharing with you right here through the free OBA member training. So if you haven't connected with our free membership training page, make sure that you do that, because I want you to know how to leverage this for yourself.